woodpecker. He can't see me very well through the camper window because they're tinted on the outside. I'm still moving very cautiously. Birds are starting to find the bird feeder. Had a lot of the titmouse, the song sparrow, a lot of Carolina chickadees. This is the first time I've seen this. Oh, there he is. He just moved down. Now he's on the ground. Down there with the cardinal. Don't see woodpeckers on the ground very much. I don't. He got the food. He's taking it up into the tree to eat it or store it. I don't know. That's great. I wonder if he's going to go to the bird feeder. Interesting that he would go down to the ground to get the food, the seed, rather than get it from the bird feeder. There's lovely. Okay. There's the Carolina chickadee. Oh, the tufted titmouse just ran him off. Oh my gosh. Looky there. He's back. I guess it's the same one. Now that is the red-bellied. He's got red on the head, but he is actually, according to my research, where'd he go? He's somewhere. He's not well named because the little red on the belly is not always very, I think that's him off there in the distance. Whoa, holy smoke. The red on the belly is not always very apparent. The red-headed is completely, the whole head is red. But the red-bellied has a little splash of red sometimes on the belly. We're just going to keep the camera here on this little, this tufted titmouse. But the red-bellied definitely does have red on the head. There's a Carolina chickadee back. Does have red on the head. And there's a buddy up there. Red on the head, but not on the full head like the red-headed. So red-bellied, some red on the head, splash of red on the belly. That's why it's called red-bellied. There's 5 woodpeckers in this area. You've got the red-headed, the red-bellied. You've got the hairy woodpecker, which has just like a little spot of red on the back of the head. And then you've got the downy, which is a little guy. And then the pileated, the big crow-sized woodpecker. He's not going to come in here this close, but you can hear him sometimes. And I've seen him in flight. Beautiful big guy is my favorite. So this bird feeder within 24 hours, there he is again. I just get so excited about these woodpeckers. Yeah, you can see the splash. I'm moving carefully. I don't think you can see me very well. You see that splash of red. Red on the top. Like somebody took a paintbrush and just from the base of the beak, just painted over the top with a little red. Was that a yawn? I didn't hear any call come out. Maybe he's swallowing. Look at him, he's on the bottom. Look at that, how he's clinging to that bird feeder. This is the first time I've seen him on the bird feeder, really. Look at that guy. Making his way around. Oh, this is great footage. Hey, buddy. Thank you for letting us enjoy you. And there's a chickadee. I don't want to take the camera off the woodpecker. There's a chickadee just about 4 feet away on this other branch, and he's not about to go down there. Oh, there he goes there. He's like saw an opening opportunity and went right in. This is about, I guess within 24 hours now that these birds have found this, and they've taken it about halfway down. Awesome.